Welcome back to Amateur Hour. Today we're going to be taking apart a gearbox. So I'm not alone in the shop today. My dad's actually doing some work. Say hi, Dad.
Hello, YouTube.
So if you hear noise in the background, that's him. So as you might be able to see on the left side, you can see the gears attached to the input shaft. And then here in the foreground, you can see the transfer gear. And then if I spin the output side, you can see that they're on the right. Well, this is in neutral, and I can shift it into first gear, right? So now everything moves. But for one reason or another, it doesn't want to shift into first, third, or fourth speed. So I'm not sure if it's the shift levers or if it's the helicals that these gears back here move on. But either way, I think the most surefire way to get it sorted out is to just at least pull this front gear set out, and then I at least get a clear picture of what's going on behind it.
Hold it.
Okay, whoa! So, this is in there thusly. And then that other one is just laying in the oil pool, how it fell out. Question becomes, why doesn't this one want to shift that way on this? So, that's a curiosity. Of course, maybe the lever won't go over. Okay, so now it's happy to go. And it'll go to the right. Yep, okay. Now that one will. Okay, so it was a problem on the gear stack in the back somehow. If we had a problem, it no longer exists because they travel the whole length now.
Put it back in.
Just put it back in, it'll work again?
No, it'll quit working.
And then I have to get, you'll have to back up some. So I have to get that into the, okay, shifting lever. Okay. Now you'll have to kind of hold it up while I get this second one in. If you can pull it back a little bit. Thank you. Okay, push in. Point it down, up a little bit more. There you go. Push in, push in, push in. Okay. And it's a Christmas miracle. Okay.
Works.
Whatever.
It's a miracle. Be healed. See, that's all you gotta do. You gotta smack it.
Alright, so now that our gearbox will actually shift, it's time to replace the seals and the gasket. The fun part about that is that I've come to the realization that I'm not going to be able to get this shaft out without disassembling the gearbox. So I get to disassemble the gearbox all over again just to get the input shaft out. It wouldn't be amateur hour if I didn't have to do everything twice.